It's insane. It's kind of like the same price as the, I would say, the same price as the Lamborghini hoverboards. But this one right here, and I got the silver look. I like this color instead of the yellow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and damn, there's some weight to it. Let's see what's in the box. All right, a chop. And it comes with a charger and instructions. Okay, my son is funny. And then you get this, it looked like a card from this company they gave you. Certifications. I guess it's a warranty. Interesting. So I'll go ahead and check on that one. And let's see, see what this thing's. Yeah. I like the tire on this one. It's kind of have that wide tire to it. But one problem about this, if you fall, you're definitely gonna start scratching this like crazy. But it looks nice. Very unique. Got some nice pressure points on this one. And got some little weight to it. But this is it, so my son moved the camera. Sorry about that, guys. You guys can see. There's really nothing to it. So I guess you just turn this on. Wow, you heard that, Kai? He's looking at it now like, what is this? So I guess you can actually control this to your phone and your app, of course, and stays in one area. Look at it. So, and it changed colors. But super excited. Yeah, so one problem about this, when you fall, or look how low this thing is. But the tire, I like this wide tire. Pretty thick tire. And then I think you can take off the battery in this one, so that's a good thing. So they have like a little lock over here, you can take off the battery. That's about it. And that's it. There's really nothing else to it, you know. So we just come with the charger, instruction. I think everything is by the app. So everything else is by the app. And now you can get this for cheaper than the price than before. You probably get a better deal, especially this summer. And it has that carbon fiber plastic look to it. Oh, it's actually not plastic, it's actually a, feels like a metal. Maybe it's a hard aluminum, like painted over, or interesting. So I'm gonna go and check it out and see what this thing's all about. Or the front. And this thing is a pretty hoverboard looking, you know, compared to the other hoverboards out there in the market. This one has that F1 look to it. Looks like the front is the... Wow! Be careful, Kai. He's all into it now. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go and turn it off. Alright, and I'm gonna go and try it out. Let me go ahead and ride on it. Okay. So I actually rode this like the Lamborghini version of this. And I mean, this one right here is kind of like twitchy. I mean, guys, I actually, you know, rode one wheel or any other except the unicycle, but now it seems okay, but it's just kind of weird in there for a little bit. And this thing is just when you hit a bump, it's just really like, you gotta like be careful to it. So now I got it on. And of course, that's a good thing they have that feature. It's just when you hit that bump. So I'm not wearing shoes. I'm supposed to wear shoes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go around. And then I wanna go ahead and go around this way. See, most of the other hoverboards, they get messed up. So now I'm going forward. Okay. But now it's better. Coming back. So maybe you have to calibrate it so many times and make sure you look at an app that all the sensors are working properly before you even hop onto this or your kids, because you know safety is necessary in this one. You know, especially this is supposed to be the fastest hoverboard. We'll see, but it does the job. And what else am I gonna say on this one? So it feels fine. The braking is fine. Just very interesting how this thing just does that. So, all right, going forward now. So always the child mode, even though yeah, so it's weird. Okay. All right, that's about it.